Hi friends, have you ever lost your important files, documents or photos and you didn't recover those things? So in this video we are going to talk everything about Google Drive. It is a cloud-based system on which once you have uploaded your document file or photos you can access your files photos from anywhere at any time. So without wasting time, let's get started this video. First of all, you have to open your Play Store or your App Store, okay, and you have to download an application whose name is Google Drive, okay, and you have to open this one. I have already installed, therefore I am going to open it. You can see there this that there are 10 billion downloaders of this application. It's mean it is a very fruitful application for students and for job holders. So you have to open it. Okay, this is the first interface. I have nothing on this account of Google Drive. This is the interface. So first of all we will talk how to upload documents on Google Drive. Okay, so you have to do nothing but you have to click on this plus icon. Okay, plus icon, and you have to make a folder. Okay, I am going to make a folder and you can name it as you wish according to your document. Let's suppose I want to upload my books on this folder, so I will name it as books of semester 2. First, let's suppose I am going to upload the books of semester 2 on this folder, so I will click on create. By doing so, we have created a folder name is books of semester 2. So if you want to upload a book in this folder, then you have to click on this. If you are using mobile, you have to click once. If you are using laptop or PC, you have to click twice. Okay, you have to click that folder is empty, so you have to again click on plus option, and then now you have to click on the upload option. Okay, by doing so you access your memory. So okay, so I want to upload some books in this folder, so I will click on documents, and let's suppose I have a book name is ICT book new edition. Let's suppose I have to upload this book on that folder, so I will click it on it. Okay, so you can see date name of the file. Okay, you can change it easily. Okay, but I don't want to change, and it is also showing the location that where is it going to store, and also the account. Okay, so I will click on the upload option, and this book will be uploaded in the book of semester 2 folder. It is going to upload. You can see it might take few seconds. Yes, you can see the book has been uploaded in this folder. You can open it, you can access it from anywhere. Okay, okay, this was the method for uploading documents on your Google Drive. So you can upload any number of books in this folder. For example, I want to upload my photos, then the procedure is same. You have to click on plus, and you have to click on folder. You have to create a folder. I name it as photos 2026. Let's suppose I will click on create. By doing so, I have created a folder name as photos 2026. I will click on it, and I will click on upload, and I will go to my gallery, and I will upload some photos. Okay, let's suppose I have to click on done. By doing so, and I have to click on upload. Okay, by doing so I have uploaded photos on my Google Drive. Okay, by doing so you can upload your videos, document or any sort of file on Google Drive easily. I hope you find this video informative. If you find this video informative, then please share this video with your friends, colleagues and with your family members, and don't forget to subscribe my channel for further details. and future videos. And if you have any query about this video, you can freely ask in the comment section. Thanks for watching.